Today we will talk about a famous person named Sean P. Diddy Combs. In 2023, the allegations against him caused an uproar everywhere. So let's look at the highlights of this case. P. Diddy, whose real name is Sean Combs, is a famous rapper, producer, and entrepreneur who rose to fame in the 1990s. His successful career brought him worldwide acclaim, but there are also some dark chapters in his life. Allegations cited in the lawsuit included torture, sexual pressure, and psychological control. Casey's details shocked the public, and the case received media coverage. P. Diddy strongly denied the allegations. They said they were all baseless and that they were ready to fight them in court. Their legal team termed the allegations as pressure for financial gain. Attempted. This case has been the subject of many medical, psychological, and legal debates since its inception. Various social figures have expressed their views on it, raising public awareness of the rights of victims. The incident took place in 1999 when P. Diddy and his friend Jane were at a club in New York with Stephen Weinstein. A shootout ensued during the incident, and P. Diddy was taken into custody by the police, but was later released. This incident had a negative impact on P. Diddy's reputation. P. Diddy faced a lawsuit in 2001 after allegations were made about his ex-girlfriend, Jennifer Lopez, sending threatening messages. In this case, P. Diddy had denied these allegations. In 2001, P. Diddy and his friends were arrested by the police after an incident in Los Angeles. During the incident, a man named Danny Gonga was charged with shooting, but P. Diddy was not formally charged. In 2015, an artist filed a lawsuit against P. Diddy, alleging that they used music he created without permission. The legal battle between the two sides continued in this case. In 2018, P. Diddy was accused of knowing about his sister's extremist bank account. This matter has suffered from many legal complications. But in August 2023, a woman named Cassie Ventura filed a lawsuit against Combs. She accused him of sexual harassment and physical violence, stating that these incidents occurred during their relationship. Various celebrities and organizations gave their views on this and raised awareness about the rights of the victims. Sean Diddy Combs faces serious federal charges including racketeering, sex trafficking, and abuse. Prosecutors allege he used drugs, violence, and threats to force victims into sexual performances, often with male sex workers, and filmed these encounters without their knowledge. Combs is currently in jail awaiting trial and has pleaded not guilty. Federal authorities are expanding their investigation to London. Combs frequently visited London, and investigators believe there may be additional victims in the UK. This could lead to new charges and a superseding indictment. The investigation highlights the importance of Combs' detention, as it allows potential victims to come forward without fear of intimidation. Combs maintains his innocence and plans to fight the charges. His attorney insists that Combs is not a criminal and has no intention of taking a plea deal. This is not surprising given the severity of the charges and potential prison time. Combs may believe he can win the case by arguing the encounters were consensual and no criminal enterprise existed. In November 2023, the case was settled out of court. The two sides agreed to a non-disclosure agreement, keeping details of the lawsuit and the amount of the settlement undisclosed. The allegations and media coverage affected P. Diddy's public image and business affairs. Some brands and supporting companies distanced themselves from P. Diddy due to this negative publicity. The case highlighted the public discourse on the need to support victims, speak out against violence, and hold powerful figures accountable. Various advocates emphasize the importance of measures to help them. The case between P. Diddy and Cassie Ventura is reflective of a larger conversation about domestic violence, consent, and the responsibilities of powerful people. It remains an important social issue, emphasizing the need for victim support and accountability. So far, the court has not given a final decision in this case, and the matter is ongoing. These are some important facts about P. Diddy case. As the case progresses, the public will continue to focus on it.